Today, we have officially got our buying impulse. Tesla is up $2.45, 0.98%, closed at 253.50. Post-market, we are down by 54 cents, 42 cents. So let's look at what we have on the chart. Many things happened this week. The first one is that we got outside of our bullish channel right here, temporarily. We were outside on Tuesday, outside also on Wednesday, and then we came back in. We came back in and continued into that bullish channel. Look at how precisely we came back on that support. This is the support right here. We came back, boom, on that support. We started that day on that support and continued higher. So the bullish channel that we lost has been gained back yesterday. And now we also were into a congestion zone. This is an area where this is a horizontal area where we had sellers coming in the past and also buyers coming in. And we were basically stuck between these two numbers, 226.85 and 250.69. And yesterday we had a very small break. We closed higher than 250.69. But today, this is better. Today, this is better. This is the official buy impulse. So we have another buy impulse right here. What a buy impulse means is that we are seeing buyers winning over the sellers. This is what it means. We had sellers at 250.69 and buyers are stronger than the sellers, and the sellers are getting pushed back. The price is going higher. This is a step change. When a price is horizontal between two lines, this is just the price going sideways, but now we have a move up. This is what I call a buy impulse. And you can decide to purchase that. You can decide to purchase that because we have this move. We have a move. Now, where can this lead to? That's the question. Where does this lead to? We are not home free with Tesla because we have a bearish channel that has been in play since November 2021. Look at this. Sellers have started coming in at a lower and lower price, and they are not always tested, but it was tested right here. It was tested this year, this summer, and it looks like we might be testing it very soon. So with this buying impulse right here, depending on how fast this happens, we could be going up to $262. And then this is going to be a pivotal point. We are going to have to take a look at if we are caving into that number or if we are breaking that number. Nobody knows what is going to happen. I don't know. And we don't need to know. We just need to watch it every single day and see the behavior of the stock and act accordingly. Right now, in terms of indicators, the stochastic is at 97, super strong. We have all of our technical indicators that are super bullish. Let's hope that we are going to reach 262 next week. That would be pretty nice. After that, we have some other resistance at 265. And then it's 285. We have a few things that we need to break. We have a few past resistances that we need to break, but this is what happens when a stock makes a big high and then comes down for a long time. Then it needs to recover a lot. Let's take a look at the VIX. So VIX is down 0.20. VIX is staying low. This is good for the stock market. The 10-year bond is also low at 3.9. We like this. US dollar bouncing a little bit. But as I say, when you see a bounce without stochastic, don't believe it. We had a bounce here. No stochastic. Did it go higher? No, it did not go higher. It went lower. Stochastic over 60, a 21-day stochastic. It is your friend to help you filter the noise. The lines within a channel also help us filter the noise, by the way. So Rivian closing higher, fantastic, up 40 cents, 1.78%. This one had the buying impulse yesterday. Super strong candle. We could have came back down a little bit because the candle was so strong, but we came down during the day. We have that wick right here. We came down during the day, but then we were pushed back up by the buyers. So I like to see this. The buyers came back in and saved the day, at least for today. Xpeng, Xpeng started to move a little bit higher yesterday, but no stochastic. You see what happens. It's continuing down. NIO. Okay, NIO, we have another impulse right here. We have another buying impulse. This one is a lot nicer than Tesla because in terms of resistance, the next one is at 923. This is very good. This one is pretty good. This is the perfect time. You do your own research and you make your own decision, but I might get into this one on Monday. VinFast, guess what? VinFast, I just love this stock because this is so volatile that I just enjoy it. So this one, we have a buying impulse. Lots of things that we can buy. And this one right here, we have stochastic over 60. We have a break of 733. And this is the channel. This is now in. This is the channel. And we are at the bottom of the channel right here. We could have a nice move up to $10. This one is pretty nice. Apple staying above 196.67, so it's maintaining itself. ARM, this one is strong. It's pushing outside of its bullish channel, so this is strong. When stocks do this, they can come back down, but sometimes they can go really vertical. So I don't know if this is what is going to happen with this one, but this sure is pretty strong. Palantir, okay, Palantir is down 1 cent. Okay, on the plus side, we have made a higher high right here. This is higher than this. And we made a higher low. So overall, the price is increasing, even though the close is a little bit lower. We don't have stochastic over 60. This one does not have a buying impulse yet per se, because it needs to break 1842. It needs to have stochastic over 60. I am into this one, but I still have to pray for this one. NVIDIA. Okay, NVIDIA is not coming down as low, and we now have stochastic over 60. We'll see what happens. If it breaks 503, then we can consider that a buying impulse, but we are not there yet. In terms of the stock indices, Dow Jones going higher. S&P. Okay, I am happy I came out of it yesterday. So this one is really just pausing. We have big important resistance that dates back to November 2021. And this is what is hard for SPX to break. Happy I've sold it because these are options and options just decay with time. When they are just hanging there, it's better to sell an option after you had a big swing. Boom, you sell at the top, you sell close to resistance. And then if it comes back down and tries again, then you can get back in. But at least you don't wait for your option to decay. NASDAQ inching higher, also going to, the same thing. See, 16,760. We are getting close to a top. So are we going to break that top? Nobody knows. If we break it, then this is going to be another sign that things are pretty bullish. Let's take a look at gold. So gold zigzagging a lot. I cannot break 1583. Silver coming back down. It is into a bullish channel. Let's look at crypto a bit. Bitcoin just going sideways. Ripple also going sideways. Also into its bullish channel. Nouveau Monde Graphite, after having failed to break 310 this week, then this is giving in, coming back down probably to 234. And phase, we had the buying impulse yesterday, and today it's continuing higher. And post-market, it seems to go even higher. You do your own research. So you do your own research and you make your own decisions. And Google, this is like NVIDIA. It's going up and down, but it's pretty boring. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great weekend. We are going to talk on Monday, unless you are a member at the Tesla Weekly Live tier, in which case we are also going to talk on Sunday. We are going to review the week and also look at next week from a weekly technical analysis perspective. This is giving us a longer term outlook than the daily outlook that we need to look at every single week. So you can join me. I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.